Now, how is carbon dioxide prepared in the laboratory? Now, here you can see that marble chips are taken in round bottom flask. Okay, and now through this delivery tube, the other end is inserted in a collecting jar. There is dilute hydrochloric acid which is being taken here, and it is dropped through this thistle funnel in these marble chips, and there is evolution of carbon dioxide gas which you can observe. Now carbon dioxide, it's a heavy gas. It will go up through this delivery tube and will get collected in this jar. Then lid of this jar will be closed, and the process is upward displacement of air. When you heat metal bicarbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, then also salt, water and carbon dioxide is produced. When carbon dioxide gas is passed through lime water, it turns lime water milky. So you can observe here that carbon dioxide gas is passed through this delivery tube, and there is lime water present here in this beaker. So when carbon dioxide is being bubbled, this lime water is turning milky, and the reason for this milkiness or turbidity is formation of calcium carbonate. Now if you pass more carbon dioxide, means carbon dioxide in excess, then this turbidity will be lost due to formation of calcium bicarbonate. So this is lime water and this is milky lime water. Children, there is one more test for carbon dioxide, that it extinguishes the burning splinter. Now here you can observe that carbon dioxide is being produced and they have taken a burning splinter. Now burning splinter, when introduced in test tube of carbon dioxide, it is extinguished. This gas has no effect on filter paper which is dipped in acidified potassium permanganate or acidified potassium dichromate. So this is also one of the important tests. So please do learn all the tests for carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is an acidic gas, which means that it turns blue litmus paper into red.